everyone, welcome to Stories We Love. I am Chahat and today I will be talking about how you can pull off a very nice dewy no makeup look. Now I understand there are days when we don't want to wear heavy makeup or we're running late and we still need to look good, right? So for those particular days, this is what you can do and I'm going to show you how to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first I always like to start with an illuminating moisturizer. Now the one I use is from Sugar. This one's Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade 01. Along with it I use my primer. It's by Colorbar and I like to mix both of these because the primer helps the moisturizer set in the face and it comes with a very nice base. So it's like a canvas that I'm preparing to put on my whatever foundation or BB cream, whatever you like. So I take this much quantity and I mix it before I apply it on my face. Okay, so we're done with that. I like to do the foundation first. When you're doing a no makeup look, you're looking for something that doesn't look very heavy on your skin or it's not too visible, it does not have full coverage. So I use the medium coverage one. It's by Nykaa, the Skin Genius collection. I'll use this beauty sponge by Colorbar and I'm gonna use this MAC Fix Plus for a dewy finish because obviously I'm not putting a lot of makeup but I want my skin to look nice. So I damp it with the Fix Plus. Now I like to put my foundation more on the cheek area because I have this OCD, if I have to say, that I want my cheek area to look more toned up and even. And you cannot forget to put it on your neck because you don't want your face and your neck to look different because that's like a disaster. So with the beauty sponge, I'll quickly blend the whole foundation in my skin. Make sure you don't slide down the sponge but you dab it into the skin so that it gets settled into the skin. And always apply the foundation over your hair because you don't want it to look different. So never start off with a bare skin because you need to, prep up your skin, and for that use your daily cream that you use and that would be just okay. So I guess I'm done with the blending. Now I'll be using a bit of a concealer just to conceal my dark circles. I use again the Nykaa Skin Genius Conceal and Correct palette. Now this has all the things, the contour, you have the blemish corrector and all of that. So that's how it looks. I like a bit of this yellow one here just to conceal my under eyes, to hide those dark circles. Now there are again two ways to go about it. You can either do it this way that I've done on this eye, or you can simply do it on the inner corner side and on the edge. So this is more to give a more elongated look. However, this is just a normal to remove the puffiness or the dark circles. Using the pointed side so that I can clearly and properly blend it under my eye, and this side too. Now if you can see on this side, there's a more elongated because I've pulled my concealer up to the edge. However, here it's just concealing the under eye. So after this, we are almost done. Now what we have to do is just, since it's winters in Delhi, so blush is something you cannot go wrong about. So I'll be using the Cheeky Glow blush by Maybelline. It is not in stock anymore. Now this gives a very nice natural pink shade, which I really like, especially in winter. There are many ways to apply a blush. It depends on how you like it. You can smile and apply it like this. You can apply it in circular motions. You can apply it in an extended manner. So once you contour, you can have that elongated or an extended way. I like to apply it in circular motions and extended. So with blush you can always do a bit extra because who doesn't like more of pink on their cheeks? Now after I'm through with the cheeks, I make sure that I do it on my nose as well, because it gives a more natural look. I'll quickly go on to the kajal, because kohl I think is the most essential part in my makeup. This one is by Nykaa. It's the I Am 24/7 kajal in the shade Ebony Soul. A lot of people don't do this, but make sure that you apply some on your upper waterline as well. You don't want to see that skin color, so gently apply. You don't want to hurt yourself. For my brows is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. What you have to do, you don't have to shape them, but you just have to fill them from the front. So it doesn't even look like that you have done your brows much, but they don't look bad. So you can clearly see the difference. Next I'm going to use is a mascara. The L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise. Whenever you use your mascara, make sure that you don't take multiple dabs of it, because that creates air in it and ruins your mascara. And when you apply it, make sure that you close your eyes and then extend it. That way you can curl your lash more and extend it longer. So whenever you get a stain out of your mascara like I did here, so always take an earbud and dip it in your makeup remover, and once it's dry, just swing it off it and it will come off very easily. For the highlighter, I'll be using the Becca Champagne Pop. It's my new favorite and I cannot stop using it. Take a bit of the product and then gently put it in. I like extending it to the upper side as well, because it gives a more complete look to it. Can you see that glow? Wow! Like, this is my without highlighter side and this is with the highlighter part. Now you don't have to forget to highlight your eye points, so we'll do the nose. I like putting a bit on my forehead as well. Yes, I am a bit extra with my highlighter. And lastly, we're gonna go with the lipper. The lipstick is the MAC Satin Finish in the shade Twig. It's a pink shade. I really like this shade. I won't be applying the whole lipstick as but I'll be dabbing to get a hint of the shade. It's a very subtle look. And now I'm going to put a bit of this liquid gloss. So that was about it. You can do a high top bun with your look, or you can simply let your hair loose. I personally like leaving my hair open. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, please like, share and comment, and that would mean a lot to us. And there's a lot of things lined up for you guys to see and enjoy. So make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you the next time. Bye!